What's up guys, Roy here and once again welcome back to the Roybo Universe. So today we are doing the first impression and complete review of the Poco X2 that was launched yesterday, or the rebranded of Redmi K30. So let's get started without any delay. Talking about the specs, it has 120Hz refresh rate, Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G processor, liquid cooled technology, 4500 mAh battery with 27 watt fast charge in the box, 64MP quad camera, 20MP punch hole camera, and up to 8GB and 256GB storage, and it runs MIUI 11 designed for Poco. So let's get started for the first review impression. So the aesthetics are completely same like the Redmi K30. No one would say that this is the Poco X2 or something. Who have also felt Redmi K30, they would say that this is the Redmi K30 itself, and only the logo have been changed backside, as it was written earlier designed by Redmi, but here it is written designed by Poco. It's look clean, it's look gorgeous, and the glass metal finish gives you premium feel in your hand. It have all the sensors that are important, and USB type C, it is running USB type C. The punch hole camera looks good, and type C, the speaker grills are also better, and we have a microphone nearby that. And next, it also include the 3.5mm jack, which is a good thing, and it has a rear mounted fingerprint sensor, which is great because optical fingerprint sensor are too slow, and the dedicated fingerprint sensor are outdated now. So rear mounted fingerprint sensor at this price point, for a premium type segment phone, it is a great choice to go. And the phone, as you all know, that it feels premium, really premium, and it don't have dedicated, it has hybrid SIM slot. So the phone aesthetics looks amazing. It's look premium, more than premium, like at this price point, almost like this is a good phone to go. And rebranded version. Talking about the display, also display is amazing. The phone feels premium, and the features are also premium, almost premium at this, as we have got the 120Hz refresh rate. So it is like a amazing icing on a cake type thing. And Redmi K30 and the Redmi K30 and the Poco X2 have no difference, as it is the rebranded version of Redmi K30, the Poco X2. So display 120Hz touch sensing, as we can see that the free flow and the refresh rate is so smooth. You will notice the lag, you won't notice any lag, you would notice the amazing 120Hz refresh rate. So the display, in form of display, it's amazing. It has full HD plus IPS LCD 6.7-inch display, which is having 20:9 aspect ratio. But the thing is that if it would be Super AMOLED, then it would be an awesome treat, but it is just full HD plus and IPS LCD panel. So the 120Hz refresh rate would be a good thing, but that would not be amazing as we get 120Hz or 90Hz in some other phone. So it is an IPS LCD panel, that's it. So that's a down point about this display, but the color viewing angles and the punch hole display, punch hole camera in the display is amazing. It's a treat to watch at this price point, so no complaints about this. Punch hole camera, talking about the punch hole camera, it's completely fits in exactly like the Galaxy S10 Plus. If you compare it, you might see no difference between the Galaxy S10 Plus and this design. It's completely more than same, and it's same like that. Talking about the chin is not that big or not that small, it is below average. And the design, as we all know, that is great. And the colors is available, that is Phoenix red, Matrix purple, and Atlantis blue. So you can go with your favorite color and get yourself a good phone. About the software, when you talk, it's running Android 10 and MIUI 11. There are a lot of bloatware that is downloaded earlier in the phone, so you can uninstall it using your own to set your own customization in your phone. The wallpapers are also good. The wallpapers are better because as it has 120Hz refresh rate, you might feel more smooth while you are processing. And along with that, Snapdragon 730G processor, it's a powerful processor at this price point, and it's not as amazing as some flagship processor, but it's good. And talking about the system, it runs MIUI 11 and along with Android 10, so there's no issue. Android 10, I'm happy that it's coming with latest software out of the box. MIUI 11 is good to use, but there are a lot of bloatware which you can uninstall and customize the phone of your own, and by which you want to settle the phone down so that you can use as it is compatible with you. Talking about the cameras, it have 64 MP primary camera, 8 MP wide angle, 2 MP depth camera, and 2 MP macro sensor. The camera are doing absolutely amazing performance, and it is performing an amazing view. So you can check out those images and just judge that how this camera is good. So Poco X2, this all images were shot on Poco X2, so you can see this cameras are doing way better than compared with any other phone at this price point. Along with this AI 730G algorithm, the camera is doing much better work rather than some other phone at this point. So camera samples are quite busy, as we can see that this is the night mode, this is the night view, so the color are accurate and the details are also amazing. So the normal mode and night mode, you can see the difference, the color shutter, and this was the good pick for night mode. That shows that how improved the night mode quality is. And this camera is amazing. So talking about the video, the stabilization is good, EIS and OIS is doing good. So this is nice because as we can see that the quality of the video is nice, and the dynamic ranges is also doing good. So no doubt and no compromise on this camera, on the video quality even. So at this thing, it is a good thing. Talking about the video, there are a lot of settings, like you can use their own theme for shooting a vlog or dream segment kind of thing, where they have their own editing or own theme before, so that you can use that theme and you can use it. It comes with a lot of variant like 6 to 8 GB up to RAM support, and 64, 128 and 256 GB storage. Talking about the Antutu Geek bench score, Poco F1, it is less than the Poco F1, but still it is a good phone at this price point, because Poco F1 was launched at 20,000 plus price point. Talking about the gaming, you won't feel any compromise in gaming while you use this phone, because it is almost specially for gaming, and the 730G almost handles all the high-end tasks very easily, and it runs high-end games even very smoothly. So no compromise for gaming. If you are a gamer, you can have this phone very happily and you will enjoy gaming. Talking about the battery, it have 4500 milliamp hour battery with 27 watt fast charging in the box. So very quick, so you won't feel any lag or something, and you might don't run off battery in any day status, because the screen on time is also amazing, and it is completely optimized, and the phone is doing very good. Along with the display, everything, it's a complete package. We never thought that this would be Poco, but that's great. And it also has the 3.5mm jack, which many people love, and they can use their headphones as well as Bluetooth headphone if they want to. And seamlessly the phone is doing great, and display and everything, it is a completely package at this. Comparing to the Poco F1, it is not that great, because Poco F1 was the flagship once upon a time, and so let's wait for Poco F2. So that's all for today. Like this video, please drop any comment, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So Poco X2 is that all.